In this tutorial, I'll show you how to make a t-shirt design by the help of AI. So let's get started. If you are new in my channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon. I have this ChatGPT. I downloaded this inspiration for the t-shirt design typography. From ChatGPT, I got some ideas what types of typography I will make from this. Here some tags and typography ideas they provided, actually ChatGPT provided. And here I got the Good Vibes Club, and after that I uploaded this photo to make this sort of image. So let's see how to do that. Here I'll add photo. Here I downloaded that inspiration. Actually this I'll upload this. Make image to prompt like pro. So when I'm writing this one, ChatGPT is taking this photo and the instruction from me, and then it will provide a prompt, the generic prompt or normalized prompt and the JSON prompt, and I'll use the JSON prompt. Actually here good vibes only or Good Vibes Club, I will include that word in this section just because of I want to modify that, and I'm telling ChatGPT will be the typography name, and then ChatGPT will modify that prompt which it has provided me earlier. And after that I hope this one will be the base thing. Here the ChatGPT already edited or modified this. Copying this code, going to the AI studio, and over there I'll just written over there. I'm pasting this prompt into the Google Nano Banana and hit the run button. Let's see what the Nano Banana is providing us to make this sort of typography or not. So Good Vibes Club, I don't need this t-shirt. I'll tell Nano Banana only the typography I needed. Fine. Yes, now we got this one. This one is only text, and I'm saving this one. I do prefer this one to paste on a mockup. So how to make this sort of mockup? In this Photoshop, I'll go to the file and open up. Already I made this sort of photo. So if you want to make this sort of photo, you have to go again to the ChatGPT. So going to the ChatGPT, taking new chat from here, plus sign, and placing here. I'll import that photo and writing over there image to prompt. So now time for making the models like this, and I got this one. Now I'll go to the Nano Banana and taking new chats from here, I'll go to this section. I'll paste the prompt for this and hit the run button. Let's see Nano Banana what is providing us for the mockup and everything. They provided me this one is similar to this, but I'll now use this one. And if you want, you can just paste that typography into this. So how to tell Nano Banana? Now I will upload this photo and say make include my uploaded photo to this into this photo. Include my uploaded photo into this photo. Actually I should write over there include my uploaded design into this photo. Let's see the result. We have that option to modify. Yes, Nano Banana already got my point and they given this, and I'm saving this one. Okay, now part of the Photoshop. So if you want, you can paste or make a like a mock-up in Photoshop. I'm saving this one. Okay, and going to the Photoshop, and I'll open it up, going to the open options, opening it up. Here is watermark. I'll remove that first. Here, use the patch tool from here and selecting the patch options, select properly and just clone this one. Done. And now going to the file and going to the place embed options, and here this design could be, or this one, whichever do you like. So this one is our recent image. I'll make it smaller like that, and after that I'll remove that part. The same thing, before that you have to make it rasterize the layer, and lasso tool, selecting this and making the watermark invisible. And now if I multiply your screen, okay, screen is good, but in this case you have to make this one lighting adjustment, because of here is some light doesn't match with that. Okay, Control L for the light adjustment, and now you can make the light will adjust with that and hit OK. So our design just pasted in the t-shirt, or actually this one is the sweatshirt or sweater, whatever you can tell. Now you can save this one, but in future if you want to edit this one, you have to make this one into convert to smart object and save this one mockup. That's fine. If I want to change this design, I have to press or double press in this smart object and going to the file and place embed options, and you can insert any sort of new design and paste it out and save this one. And let's see, that design already changed. That's fine. And you have option to make resize, and you can move it out, whatever you can do with these options. So that's all for today. Hope that you learn a lot from this video. If you did, please thumbs up and share with your friend. And if you have any sort of questions, query, request, please do comment on my video comment section. Until the next video, is Arif signing out today. Stay safe, stay healthy, keep me in your prayers, and bye bye.